Hi guys, let's unbox my newest running shoe from Puma. I got this recently and it's from their Nitro series and this is called the Forever Run Nitro 2. This is meant for flat-footed people and I'm one of them. You know, as I've been running for a while now, I find it really difficult to run. I just recently purchased a Pegasus and it was really painful because I think number one, that the shoe is very slim, and what I love about this one is that it's meant for wider feet, so you have a little bit of space. I appreciate the cushioning, as you can see medyo makapal siya, and the support. Even after the run, I didn't feel very wobbly and it really helped me. And that's the first time I'm gonna say this about a pair of shoes, but I really loved how this particular set of shoes actually supported me in my recent run. This is not sponsored, but I just wanted to share with you how I really liked the Nitro series from Puma helped me with my recent run. So if you're a flat-footed person like me, I highly suggest getting the pair or a pair from Puma. And I got cut off because my dog tripped the lights. But anyway, if you are flat-footed, do check out Puma and purchase one of the Nitro pairs. So I do have a link below. If you want to check that out from there, please do so. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.